news media plus a lot more.
It is very relevant in America today.
I don't got no type. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. You ain't got no life. Cups with the ice, and we do this every night. I ain't check the price.
I got it.
I make my own money, so I spend it how I like. I'm just living life. And let my mama tell it, nigga, I ain't living right. Chop the top off the Porsche, that's a headless horse. Extendo long as an extension cord. Damn. Bitch, I ball like Jordan, and I play full court. And if you're not my type, then you know I gotta keep the shit short. What you know about a chick? What you got up in your pocket? What you spending when you shopping, dog? Why you wanna go flex? Like you all in the mix, like you got some shit popping off. I got some models that you see up in the movies, and they wanna make a flick for the camera. Yeah, wanna be Kim Kardashian. Heard I was living like a bachelor. I don't got no type. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. You ain't got no life. Cups with the ice, and we do this every night. I ain't check the price.
I got it.
I make my own money, so I spend it how I like. I'm just living life. And let my mama tell it, nigga, I ain't living right. Spend it how I like. Yeah, sitting every night. Yeah, push start the whip. Hey, brought it straight to life. Come to life. Blowing on the kush. Blowing till I'm out of sight. I'm gone. I don't check the price. Bitch. All I do is swipe. Woo. She say, what's your type? Yeah. I said, I like what I like. Yeah. I don't second guess. Nah. I just roll the dice. Keep it moving. Keep your 2 cents. Hey. Take your own advice. Hey. I've been living life. Yeah. Like I lived twice. I don't got no type. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. You ain't got no life. Cups with the ice, and we do this every night. I ain't check the price.
I got it.
I make my own money, so I spend it how I like. I'm just living life. And let my mama tell it, nigga, I ain't living right.
Make me a promise here tonight. You know how nights like this go. 60 naked bitches, no exaggeration. We bought all the bottles at the chain location. Smashing all the models, now we hit the waitress. When you're getting a lot of money, you can't ever save it.
But tonight, me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friend, we got money to spend.
Started raw, got me to the ceiling. I think them Percocets had me in my feelings. I put them hundreds on hundreds. I get that money on money. I get that guala on guala. I get them dollars on dollars. I throw out them dollars, them bitches gon' holler. I got them starting the stylist. I like that money, it's piling. I see that money just piling. I see it's piling and piling and piling and piling and piling and piling. We do the favors, them bitches gon' cater. We for the models, then we for the neighbors. For all the scribbles, then we for the waitress. Yeah. 60 naked bitches, no exaggeration. We bought all the bottles at the chain location. Smashing all the models, now we hit the waitress. When you're getting a lot of money, you can't ever save it.
But tonight, me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friend, we got money to spend. 2 in the morning, my mind is on you. 4 in the morning, it still doesn't move. Hit me to tell me you get off at 10. Come here, I make sure you get off again. Rocks got a case, but it get off again. Fuck all the ops and the shots that they send. I let off first and I let off again. You will not hear from them ever again. Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Reps up, you know there's 100 of them. FPG OVO 100%. Don't ask me shit when it come to my set. Don't ask me shit when it come to my set. FPG OVO 100%. Yeah. 6 of them straight and I run it again.
60 naked bitches, no exaggeration. We bought all the bottles at the chain location. Smashing all the models, now we hit the waitress. When you're getting a lot of money, you can't ever save it.
But tonight, me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friend, we got money to spend.
60 naked bitches, no exaggeration. We bought all the bottles, had to change locations. Take it to the head, baby, penetration. Money not a problem, you can finger trace it. Drinking on the syrup, taking medications. After this club, we just change locations. After this club, we just change locations. We don't take it in, we just change locations. We don't take it in, we just change locations.
Snakes aren't stupid.
Running back home, gonna get that money quick. Yeah, I wanna stake now. You know what I'm saying? You stupid fucking dimwit. Gonna get a black one, gonna get a red one, gonna get a brown one, gonna get a yellow one, gonna get a black one. Well, they don't make black ones, so that's ridiculous. You see what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get a stake and it's gonna be great. A-W-E-S-O-M-E. Awesome. Snakes got a paycheck,
movie full of trapping, and a damn thing changed.